YouTube Analytics is like a treasure chest for content creators, providing valuable insights into the performance of your videos and audience engagement. If you're just starting your journey on YouTube, or even if you've been around for a while but haven't explored the analytics side of things, this guide is here to walk you through the basics in simple terms. When you first dive into YouTube Analytics, you'll encounter the dashboard. It's like the control center for your channel's data. Here, you can get a quick overview of your key metrics, such as views, watch time, and subscribers. Overview tab gives you a snapshot of how your channel is doing over a selected period, helping you track trends and identify areas for improvement. The Audience tab is your gateway to understanding who your viewers are. It provides demographic information like age and gender, helping you tailor your content to better suit your audience. Keep an eye on the top countries section to see where your viewers are located. More of this data can be particularly useful when deciding on the timing of your uploads to reach a wider audience. 2 critical metrics on YouTube are watch time and views. The watch time report breaks down the total minutes people have spent watching your videos. This metric is crucial because YouTube algorithmically favors videos that keep viewers on the platform longer. The views report, on the other hand, shows you how many times your videos have been watched. By understanding these metrics, you can gauge the overall popularity and impact of your content. Every engagement is the heartbeat of your channel. The Engagement tab provides insights into likes, comments, and shares. The Top Videos section showcases which of your videos are resonating the most with your audience. Pay attention to the comments. They're not just a way for viewers to communicate with you, but also a goldmine of feedback and ideas for future content. The Traffic Source Report is like a roadmap showing where your viewers are coming from. Are they discovering your videos through YouTube searches, external websites, or social media? This information can help you optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. If you're getting a lot of traffic from a specific source, consider doubling down on your efforts there to maximize reach. For those aiming to turn their passion into profit, the Revenue tab is where you'll find insights into your earnings. YouTube monetization involves ads, memberships, and other income streams. Keep an eye on the ad revenue section to see which videos are generating the most income. This information can guide your content strategy if you're looking to boost your revenue. YouTube is the second largest search engine globally, and optimizing your videos for search is crucial. The Search tab in Analytics helps you understand what viewers are searching for when they find your videos. This information can influence your future video titles, descriptions, and tags, making your content more discoverable and appealing to a broader audience. As you become more familiar with YouTube Analytics, you might want to create custom reports tailored to your specific needs. The Custom Reports feature allows you to choose the metrics that matter most to you and visualize them in a way that makes sense. This can be particularly helpful for tracking the success of specific campaigns or testing the effectiveness of different content types. Consistency is key on YouTube, and analytics can be your guiding light. Regularly check your data, but also be ready to adapt. If you notice a decline in certain metrics, dig deeper to understand why. Are your viewers dropping off at a particular point in your videos? Is there a specific type of content that performs better? Use this information to refine your content strategy and keep your audience engaged. Remember, YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that can elevate your channel to new heights. By regularly exploring your data, understanding your audience, and adapting your content strategy, you can not only improve your video performance, but also build a stronger connection with your viewers. So dive into your analytics, unravel the insights, and let them guide you on your YouTube journey. Happy analytics!